Now we will see another concept in our multiplication techniques, that is multiplication is number by series of nines. Okay, here we are going to use one sutra, that is Nikhilam Navataha Charamam Dashataha. We are going to use the sutram as Nikhilam Navataha Charamam Dasataha, which is nothing but, as we already discussed, all from 9 and last from 10. All from 9, last from 10. So how can we use this technique, all from 9, last from 10, or Nikhilam Navataha Charamam Dasataha, in case of multiplication by series of nines? Let us see the first case. Here in this multiplication technique we have three cases. Let us discuss the first case. So case 1. The case 1 is number of digits in the given number, okay, equal to number of nines. Number of digits in the given number equal to number of nines. That means whenever we are multiplying a number, okay, which is nothing but a given number, the number of digits in the given number is equal to the number of nines on the another side, which we are going to multiply. Okay, that is nothing but the case 1. For example, 436 into 999. 436 into 999. Now you tell me, how many digits are there in the given number 436? There are 3 digits, yes or no? Now how many nines are there on the right side? 3 nines. Now you tell me, is the number of digits in the given number is equal to number of nines or not? Yes. Okay, number of digits are 3 and the number of nines are 3. Both are same. So both sides there are equal digits, and here also equal digits. So if it is the case, okay, simply do one thing, subtract 1 from the given number. First, subtract 1 from the given number. What is the given number? 436. Subtract 1 from that one. How much will you get? 435. How much we got? 435. After 435, put a small quotation like that. Put a small quotation after 435. Now you tell me, okay, for 4 to make it 9, how much I need to add? For 4 to make it 9, how much I need to add? Yes, 5. Write 5 here. Now for 3, how much I need to add to make it 9? 6. And finally for 5, exactly, it is 4. So my answer is 435564. Once again I repeat, whenever you are multiplying a given number, okay, into series of nines, check here the case 1, there are 3 digits, 3 nines. Whenever the number of digits are equal to number of nines, okay, or I can say like this, if the number of digits on the both sides are equal, if the number of digits on the both sides, okay, on one side the given number, on another side only the nines. So if the number of digits on both sides are equal, simply subtract 1 from the given number, that is 436. If you subtract 1 from that one, how much you got? 435. So for that 435, okay, you need to write sequentially nines complements. So what are nines complements? For example, for 1 to make it 9, how much I need to add? 8. Similarly, vice versa. For 8 to make it 9, 1. For 2, 7. For 7, 2. 3, 6. 6, 3. 4, 5. 5, 4. Okay. And if it is 0, 9. And for 9, it is 0. So these are what? Nines complements. Nines complements. Okay. So for these numbers, you have to write sequentially nines complements. For 4, it is 5. 4, 5. Okay. For 3, it is 6. For 5, it is 4. So what is my final answer? 4, 3, 5, 5, 6, 4. Okay. One more example. Let us see. If it is 6, 3, 4, 0 into some 4 nines. How many digits are there? 4. How many nines are there? 4. So the number of digits are equal to number of nines on the right hand side. If the number of digits are equal to number of nines, the same way we have to follow. Simply subtract 1 from the given number. How much will you get? 6340 minus 1. So answer is 6339. Now put a small quotation. Now write nines complements only for this number, but sequentially. Sequentially means 1 by 1. For 6, what is the nines complement? 3. For 3, 6. For 3, 6. And for 9, it is 0. So your answer is 63393660. Okay. So like that, we have to write the sequentially 9's complements to get the answer. Like that, we can write even bigger number. Okay, let us take one number like this. So 7, 2, 3, 8, 5, 6, 7, 3, 8. Okay, 6. The 10-digit number into. Okay. So, how many digits are there? 10 digits are there. How many 9s are there? 10 9s are there. 10 digits, 10 9s. But we are going to write the answer for this number within seconds. Okay, this much big number. Okay, even though this much big number, we can write the answer within seconds. So what is the answer? Now you tell me fastly. So 7, 2, 3. First, what we need to do? Subtract 1 from the given number. Okay, 7, 2, 3, 8, 5, 6, 7, 3, 8, 5. This is the given number. Okay, now sequentially write the 9's complements fastly. For 7, 2, 2, 7, 3, 6, 8, 1, 5, 4, 6, 3, 7, 2, 3, 6, 8, 1, 5, 4. Finally, this will be my answer. So this much big answer we are going to write within seconds. Yes or no? So that's how the advantage of Nikilam Navtaha Charmam Dastaha, all from 9, last from 10, in case of multiplication by series of 9s. Now we will see the second case, that is nothing but less number of digits multiplication by more number of 9s. Now we will see the second case in the multiplication series of 9s. So what is the second case? Less number of digits into more number of 9s. Suppose if I want to multiply a number by series of 9s in which the number of digits are less and the number of 9s are more. Okay, now let us take an example. If I take 436 into some 4 9s. So how many digits are there? 3 digits are there. How many 9s are there? 4 9s. 3 digits, 4 9s. Less digits, more 9s. Whenever you are facing the case like this, if the number of digits are less than the number of 9s, okay, you simply do one thing. See, here there are 4 9s, but here only 3 digits. If you want to make this given number also as 4 digits, what you can do? This 3-digit number as 4-digit number, right? By adding a 0 before the number. Yes or no? Not after the number. If you add a 0 after the number, the value will change. So add before the number. Okay, how many digits are less? Only 1 digit. So that's why I am adding a 1 0 before the number, so that it will become 4-digit number. Now is it equal? 4 digits, 4 9s. Now we will do the same way. So what is the answer? Now we will follow the same case as just like the first case. Okay, why? Because the number of digits are equal to number of 9s. So simply subtract 1 from the given number. How much will you get? 0, 4, 3, 5. Yes or no? Now write the sequential 9's complements to the obtained number. For 0, 9. For 4, 5, 3, 6, 5, 4. So what is the answer? 4, 3, 5, 9, 5, 6, 4. One more example. Suppose, let us take some number 374 into 5 9s. 374 into 5 9s. 374. How many digits are there? 3 digits. How many 9s are there? 5 digits. 5 9s. 3 digits, 5 9s. This time, how many digits are less? 2 digits or less when you compare with the number of 9s. So, if I want to make this 3-digit number as 5-digit number, what I need to do? Add 2 zeros before the number. So, add 2 zeros before number so that it will become 5-digit number. Now, 5-digit number into 5 9s. Okay, same as case 1. Okay, remember one thing. The case 2 we are converting into the case 1 by just adding zeros before the number. So, okay, so now 5 digits into 5 9s, subtract 1 from the given number. How much will you get? So 00373. Now writing the sequential 9's complements to this number. For 0 it is 9 0 9 3 6 7 2 and 3 6. So your answer is 00373 996 626. Like this we can take any example. One more example here. Some big example we will take. 943 into 6 9s. 943 into 6 9s. Same. How many digits are less? 3 digits. So what we are going to do here? Okay, simply add 3 zeros to the given number before the number. So the answer will be, the number will be 000943 into 6 nines. Now it became equal digits into equal lines, which is nothing but case 1. So what is your answer now? 000942 after subtracting 1. Now sequentially write 9's complements for this number, 999057. So this will be your answer. So like this, we can convert the second case into the first case and we can get the answer easily with the series of 9's. Now we will see the final case, that is case 3. Okay, the case 3 in case of, okay, what is that case? What is the remaining case? Last we have more number of digits, less number of 9's. Okay, now we will see the case 3 finally. Now we will see the last and final case in case of series, in case of multiplication by series of 9's using Vilokanam, Charmam, Dhashamshaha. So what is the last case remaining we have? So more number of days and the less number of 9's. Suppose whenever you are multiplying a number by a series of 9's in which the number of days are more when you compare with the number of 9's. Okay, in this case we are going to, it will be a little tricky method. Okay, we have two methods in this case. First we will discuss the method 1. What is the method 1? Let us take an example. Suppose 436 into 99. 436 into 99. In this case, if you observe, there are 3 digits and there are 2 9's. That means number of digits are more when you compare with number of 9's. So 3 digits, 2 9's. Now how to follow, how to apply? But in this case, remember, you cannot apply the second case. You may think there are 2 9's, so why can't we make it 3 digits? Okay, so 099, no, it is not possible. You cannot apply that one. If you apply that one, you are going to get the wrong answer. So be careful, you cannot apply case 2 here. So we have another method. Now see here what we can do. Okay, so in this case 436 to 99, you simply write the given number 436 as it is. Okay, and you know that 90, can we write 99 as 100 minus 1? Can we write 99 as 100 minus 1? Yes, we can write. Now you simply multiply 436 into 100. What is 436 into 100? 43,600. Yes or no? Minus 436 into 1. 436 into 1 is how much? 436. So if you subtract, you will get the answer. What is the answer for this one? 4, 3, 2 but 1. Okay, it is 6, it is 4. 4, 3, 1, 6, 4. Okay. Now what we are going to do? We are simply adding one step extra. What is that one step extra here? Okay, 436 into 99, we are going to write it as 436 into 100 minus 1. So first we are multiplying main number with the 100. 436 into 100 is how much? 43,600. Now again second step, 436 into minus 1, minus 436. If you subtract the calculation, you will get the answer as 43164. One more example. Now let us take some 57389 into some 999. 57389 into 999. Now 5 digits, 3 9's. More digits, less 9's. Okay. Now you tell me 999 can be written as? Yes. 57389 into 999 can be written as 1000 minus 1. So what is 57389 into 1000? It is 57389,000 minus 57389 into minus 1. So it is 57389. Now you subtract this one. How much you will get? We will see. So the answer is 573, 3 but 3 only, 2 but 1, 6, 1, 1. So what I did here to get the answer, I did the subtraction using match and mismatch method. Okay, so don't forget the match and mismatch method. We are going to use match and mismatch subtraction in many ways. This is one of the application. Okay, so like this we will get the answer. What is the answer of 57389? The answer of 57389 is 57331611. And what is the answer of 436 into 99? The answer of 43699 is, okay, 43164. So like this we can apply, okay, more digits into less 9's. Okay, this is a method 1. Now we will see the method 2. It is a little tricky one, so please be concentrate here. Okay, now we will see the second method in case of the last case of multiplication of series of 9s by any number, that is case 3, more number of digits into less number of 9s. Okay, case 3, method 2. Now let us take the same example, 436 into 99. In the method 2, it is a little tricky one, so please concentrate. So 436 into 99. 436 into 9. Take the number as it is, 436. Now you tell me how many number of 9s are there? Okay, how many number of 9s are there? 2 9s. So what you need to do, whenever you are doing multiplication by series of 9s, how many number of 9s you have to check? 2 9s are there. So from the right side, make a partition in the given number after 2 digits from right. 1, 2. Since there are 2 number of 9s, we are making the number, we are doing the partition in the number after 2 digits from right. If it is 3 number of 9s are there, yes, we will go for partition after 3 digits from right. If it is 4 9s, after 4 digits from right. If it is 5 9s, after 5 digits from right, like that. Okay, so since there are only 2 9s, okay, we are going to do the partition of the number from right after 2 digits. After making the partition of the number is divided into 2 parts, left part and right part. Okay, for the left part, what is the number? 4. Simply add 1 to the left part of the number. Add 1 to the left part of the number. What is the left part of the number here? 4. If you add 1 to the 4, how much will you get? Yes, 5. That 5 you need to subtract from the total number. If you add 4 to 1, how much you are going to get? 5. So this 5 we are going to subtract from the total number. This 5, after, see which 5? The 5 which you got after adding 1 to the left side part of the number. So 4 plus 1 is 5. Subtract this 5 from the total number. 436 minus 5, how much will you get? 431. Yes or no? Now this 431 is the left side part of the answer. Actually we have to get one answer, right? In that answer, this is the left side part. Okay, still we have to get the right side part of the answer. To get the right side part of the answer, okay, see, you simply go for the right side part of the number which we got above. To get the right side part of the answer, go for the right side part of the number in the above. What is the right side part of the number? 36. So for 36, you have to apply all from 9, last from 10 to get the right side part of the answer. So for 36, what is the all from 9, last from 10? Since there are 2 numbers, subtract first number from 9 and subtract second number from 10. So it is how much? 64. So your answer is 43164. Once again I repeat here, 436 into 99. Just first of all, whenever the number of digits are more and number of 9s are less, okay, see how many number of 9s are there. There are 2 number of 9s. Since there are 2 number of 9s, I am doing a partition in the given number 436 after 2 digits from right. If it is, since there are 2 9s, so 2 digits from right, make a partition. So after doing partition, the number is divided into 2 parts, left part, right part. And next step is add 1 to the left side part of the number. What is the left side part of the number here? 4. So if you add 1 to the 4, how much will you get? 5. Yes, that 5 we have to subtract from the total number. What is the total number? 436. So 436 minus 5 is how much here? 431, which is our left side part of the answer. Okay, so our left side part of the answer, we got it as 431. Still we have to get the right side part of the answer. To get the right side part of the answer, you simply go to the right side part of the number in the given partition of the number. So what is the right side part of the number in the given partition? 36. Okay, so after going to 36, what you need to do, you need to apply all from 9, last from 10 to the 36, which we already discussed in the previous cases. Okay, so what is all from 9, last from 10? Simply subtracting the numbers from 9 and the last number from 10. Since there are only 2 digits, first number will be subtracted from 9 and next number will be subtracted from 10. So what is all from 9, last from 10 for 36? 9 minus 3 6, 10 minus 6 4, so 64. So just simply add 64 at the end. This will be your answer. Now I will take one more example so that it will be very clear for you. Let us take some 54386 into 999. 54386 into 999. Now you tell me, in this example, how many nines are there? 3 nines. How many nines are there? 3 nines. So where I have to make a partition in the given number? So after 3 digits from right, I need to make a partition since there are 3 nines. If there are 3 nines, so 3 digits from the right. 1, 2, 3. I am making a partition. After making partition, as I said, the number is divided into 2 parts. Left part, right part. This is the left part and this is the right part. Okay, what is the next step? Yes, always add 1 to the left side part. That is a common step to any problem in this case. Okay, add 1 to the left side part. So if I add 1 to the left side part, how much I am going to get? 54 plus 1, 55. So 55, that 55 should be subtracted from total number. After adding 54 to 1 to the 54, I am going to get 55. So this 55 I have to subtract from the total number. So how much will get? So 5, 4, 3, 3, 1. So 5, 4, 3, 3, 1. This is the left side part of my answer. But still I have to get the right side part of the answer. Now what I have to do to get the right side part of the answer? Yes, exactly. We have to go to the right side part of the number in which we did the partition. So what is the right side part of the number here? 386. For that 386, what I need to apply? All from 9, last from 10. If you apply all from 9, last from 10 for 386, how much will you get? 9 minus 3, 6, 9 minus 8, 1, 10 minus 6, 4. 614. Simply add 614 here. So this will be your answer. This is common to every number. Okay, so that's how you can apply, okay, multiplication by series of nines. Okay, if the number of D's are more and the number of nines are less. Okay, I will give one more clarity to you, okay, by taking one more example here. Okay, now see here. Suppose, let us take an example having zeros at the end. Say 5, 4, 3, 6, 0 into some 4 nines this time. Yes, I'll take 4 nines this time. Okay, and I am going to increase one more number here. 7, 5, 4, 3, 6, 0 into 4 nines. Now you tell me, how many number of nines are there? 4 nines. So in this step, what I need to do? After 4 digits from right, I need to make a partition. 1, 2, 3, 4. Make a partition. Now there are numbers divided into 2 parts, left side part and right side part. Okay, left side part is how much? 75. Add 1 to that 75. If I add 1 to that 75, how much I am going to get? 76, which should be subtracted from the total number. How much will you get? 7, 5, 4, 3, but 2, 6 plus 3, 9, but 8, 4. This is my left side part of the answer. I just subtracted the number which I got after adding 1 to the left side part. I just subtracted the number which I got or which I obtained from adding 1 to the left side part, that is 75. If I add 1 to the 75, 76. That 76 I have subtracted from the total number. From the total number I am saying again. Please listen. Okay, so how much we got here? 754284. This is the left side part of the answer. To get right side part of the answer, what I need to do? Go for the right side part of the number. What is the right side part of the number here? 4360. You need simply apply all from 9 last from 10 to this number. How can we apply all from 9 last from 10 to this number? Remember, you have to recollect the technique which I taught you in the previous case for all from 9 last from 10. Whenever you are getting 0 at the end for all from 9 last from 10, you need to you just ignore 0 for some time. Now what is the remaining number? 436. For that 436 only you need to apply all from 9 last from 10 for some time. Okay, so how much will you get? 5, 6, 4, and drop this 0 as it is. So your answer is 7542845640. Okay, if you have any doubt in this all from 9 last from 10 for the numbers which are ending at 0, you can go through the basics which we learnt in the case of subtraction, so that it will be very clear for you. Okay, so like this we can apply, okay, the multiplication by series of nines in all the 3 cases. And I can say one thing, this last case, case 3, it is applicable to all cases. Okay, so that's how the multiplication by series of 9s can be easily learnt.